Good morning, everybody. The subject of the mask. In relation to 30 nouns of the ProView data, it will select the internal frame. The internal frame for the mothership, based upon the best regard, the computer system will rephase itself into the third moon. The third moon is the border of the fifth way to conclude the element of design for the protocol. Each protocol is subject 1324454644249 by the border of the fifth moon. It may divert itself into the west side. The west side of the hemisphere, based upon Instagram, technically it will support the coordinate when it sends the sun through. But if the core is B12182949464241 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the west side. In relationship to build the network, it will refire out to heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is BAL218294644241 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the west side. The west side of the hemisphere, based upon Instagram, technically it will support the coordinate. The coordinate is CBF315. To design day 10, the interlude technology will pin out the door to complete the task. In any area of the subject, it will perform itself into network 324. In the computer system by operating system, it will manualize the confunction. The confunction, when it does that, technically it will support the coordinate, which will send the origin through. In time, there is a fifth division to complex itself into network 3. If the border of the fifth moon converts itself into the dimension, it will form itself into the hellholder. The democracy of law, based upon implementation of the network, it will refire out to heaven based upon the machine. If the machine is BAL218294644241 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the east side. In the east side of the hemisphere, based upon Instagram, technically it will support the coordinate, which will send the sun through. But if the ball is B121829464241 by the border of the fifth moon, it may divert itself into the west side. And in that day, it is 10325.